Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Notes app is missing, or if your entire notes are lost, using these methods. Reinstall the app. Restore from iCloud or a recent iPhone backup. Recover from your Notes app. First, if your Apple Notes app disappears, search by swiping down from the middle of your home screen. And type Notes. If the Notes icon doesn't appear in your search options, it may have been deleted. To get the Notes app back on your iPhone, first open the App Store on your iPhone and tap Search, then type Notes, then tap the download icon. Once you reinstall the Notes app, this will restore the Notes app to your iPhone. Let's see how to recover your notes from iCloud. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap your name. Then tap on iCloud. After that, select See All. Find the Notes app, and toggle on the Notes icon. If you have notes already stored in iCloud, then these steps will restore the iCloud notes that disappeared. If you've lost notes that were saved locally and not backed up to iCloud, you'll need to restore an iPhone backup. Finally, let's discuss how to recover deleted notes on an iPhone. If your iPhone notes disappeared, you may have accidentally deleted them. Open the Notes app and make sure you're in the folder's view. If not, tap the back arrow in the top left corner. Tap on the recently deleted folder and find the note you want to recover. Tap Edit. Select the note or notes you want to restore. Then tap Move in the lower left corner. Select the folder you want to move the notes to. If you don't see a recently deleted folder, it means you haven't recently deleted any notes. If you are unable to find notes in the recently deleted tab, you can restore an iPhone backup from your computer. However, the downside is that this may also reset some of your saved settings. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below.